everyone, welcome back. This is Neha Tulsyan from Crescent Creation, and today I have my lawn fawn haul video for you. Yes, I am a little late showing you this video. Caught up with some work, so I'm sorry about it, but here I am showing you what I got from the Lawn Fawn Summer Release 2021. And spoiler alert, I almost got everything. Well, I don't blame myself. This release was so cute and adorable, I could not get everything. And before I go ahead and jump in to show you what I got, I just wanted to shout out and give a huge round of applause to Not Too Shabby Shop because they shipped the product so fast. I ordered my products on 12th night and I had it on 15th. Isn't that amazing? Thank you so much, Jamie, for the quick shipping. So now let's dive into the products. The first and my favorite stamp set that I want to share with you is the Scooting By stamp set. This is such a great stamp set. I am in love with all the images in this stamp set. I love the way they have separated the critters and the scooters. So now these critters can not only hold the scooters but can also hold something else, and that just opens up a lot of possibilities. Love that they even took care of the helmet and the strap of the helmet. Isn't that so stinking cute? And the sentiments are equally good. Scooting, zooming, I like you, I miss you. Next up is the Happy Hug stamp set. Oh my gosh, I am in love with this cute, adorable stamp set. And yes, I'm gonna say that to each and every product in this haul. So you just have to bear with me. I'm sorry, but I can't help myself. They are so adorable. And the way they add details to their stamp sets are just amazing. So here, these two fox and the bunny image can be like they're running towards each other and then hugging each other. Isn't that amazing? And then the mouse hugging each other, the squirrels, even the birds. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And I love that thought bubble. You can use that separately or use it with this reveal wheel add-on called the thought bubble add-on die set. So usually I don't like to get coordinating dies for my stamp set because I have my scan and cut. But for some images you need to get the coordinating dies because scan and cut has its own limitations. Like for instance, this thought bubble in the Happy Hug stamp set. What if you want to cut the inside of it? In the coordinating die set, you get a die that cuts the inside of it. But then I realized that this reveal wheel thought bubble add-on will also cut the inside of this thought bubble image from the Happy Hug stamp set. So let's check it out to make it sure. And yes, I'm right, it will cut the inside of your thought bubble image from the Happy Hug stamp set. I also got the reveal wheel template for the thought bubble. Next, I got this Magic Iris thought bubble add-on die that will coordinate with your Magic Iris die set. And I also got this reveal wheel sentiment stamp set, which is not from this release, but I really like this stamp set and it was on my wish list and I thought it will fit into my Magic Iris cards. So here I'm just checking it and I was not totally right and not totally wrong. So two of the sentiments, the happy birthday to you and I love you, goes into the circle of that Magic Iris, but the wishing you a very happy day and you make my world go round are a little bigger and won't fit into that circle of the Magic Iris. Well, that's not bad. I at least was 50% right. Next from the new release is the Virtual Friends add-on stamp set. I love when stamp companies listen to us. We wanted furnitures and Lawn Fawn is adding furnitures to their collection. This small stamp set is jam-packed with so many possibilities that you can do with your new and your old stamp sets from Lawn Fawn. Next is the Say What Masked Critters stamp set. This was a free stamp set from Lawn Fawn a few months back and now they have added it to the new release. I love these cute critters with masks on. Now you can create some social distancing cards using these critters. Along with that, I also got the Germ Free Bear stamp set, which was a free stamp set when you get $60 or above purchase from Not Too Shabby Shop. The bear is so stinking cute and the sanitizer and the mask image is equally cute. And then comes the famous flip-flop stamp sets. This one here is the Dandy Day flip-flop stamp set, which is actually a flipped image or the mirror image of one of the mouse from the Dandy Day stamp set. Even the dandelions are flipped, so you can create so many cards using images from both the stamp sets. Next is the I Love You flip-flop stamp set and one in the Chameleon flip-flop stamp set. Again, these are the flipped or mirror images of the previous stamp sets. And if I'm not wrong, one in the Chameleon stamp set is actually from the last release, which I got this time. Next here is the outside in stitched thought bubble stackables and the stitched thought bubble frames. Lawn Fawn in every release has been creating dies like this in different shapes that coordinate each other and creates the frame as well as the stitched shape in 2 or 3 different sizes. Next die is this Hearts and Stars skinny tag. I really like die sets like this where you can cut these basic shapes like hearts and stars a lot and in different sizes at a time. And with this die set, I really like that they even included the skinny tag along with these basic shapes. So you can use it as a skinny tag or even a sentiment banner. Next up is the Giant Sending Big Hugs die. I know this is going to be one of the very famous die from Lawn Fawn. I really like the size of this die set. Now that everyone is making different sizes of cards, this die set is perfect for each and every size of cards that you make. I also got this Build a Basket Easter die set from the last release. I could not get it last time and I thought, well, I want to use this basket for something else apart from spring theme cards, so I got it. Next from the new release is the Slimline Road Border and the Slimline Simple Road Border dies. Lawn Fawn earlier had these same dies in A2 size and now they have got them in Slimline dies. If you do not have the A2 size dies yet, I would say go ahead and get the Slimline ones because then you can cut these and put onto an A2 size card too. Now let's move on to the stencils. Here, the first one I have is the Slimline Grassy Hillside stencils. These stencils come as 2 in a pack. And what I love the most about the stencils from Lawn Fawn are that you not only get the stencils but also the mask along with the stencils. So one side of the stencil will be used to ink the grass and the other side will be used to mask it off. Similar is the Slimline Simple Grassy Hillside stencils. Again, comes 2 in a pack and can be used to ink up the grass and also to mask it off. Next up is this 2 6x6 stencils. First is the Thought Bubble stencil. Coordinates perfectly with the Happy Hug stamp set and can also be used as clouds or as treetops. Last but not the least is the Plaid Stencil, which creates some perfectly plaid patterns on your background. Again, you get 2 stencils in this pack. One creates this thin line and other those thicker lines for the plaid pattern. I have already used this stencil in one of my videos and you can watch this video by clicking here on the top right of the screen. So this was my Lawn Fawn summer haul along with few more products from the previous releases. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Here are a few more videos that you might like to watch. Thank you for visiting. Have a nice day.